This video will show you how to replace the lever on a MAGURA Big Brake Master and how to perform a flip-flop conversion of the brake master so that it can work on the opposite side of the handlebar. You can find information about the tools you will need in the video description. Hold back the retaining tab using a flat blade screwdriver. At the same time, push the lever-bearing pin through the master and remove it. Pull out the brake lever. When you insert the new brake lever, make sure that the pushrod retainer is correctly positioned in the piston guide. Then, secure the lever by pressing the lever-bearing pin back in. When you're finished, check the brake for proper operation. Remove the brake lever as shown before. Remove the retaining clip from the master with the help of the screwdriver. You can now turn the lever unit into the position required for mounting. Then, reversing the previous steps, replace the circular retaining clip, the lever, and the lever-bearing pin. When you're finished, check the brake for proper operation. You'll find more information in the service section at magura.com. Your MAGURA dealer will also be glad to help you. If you have specific questions, you can also contact us via the chat feature on our social media channels.